differences, let us bring Malaysia together as a family. It was quoted by our respected Prime Minister, Dato Sri Ismail Sabri.
This quote symbolizes this year's slogan of National Day, which is Keluarga Malaysia Teguh Bersama.
Dear viewers, Malaysians are moving towards brighter days with the announcement of endemic phase recently. With less restrictions, Malaysia family are getting reunited as one.
MCO1, MCO2,
MCO3. How do we reunite then?
Do you guys have the same ideas as us? We believe that tourism promotes unity among Malaysians.
Here in Bandar Penawang, Pengerang, there are many tourist attractions and facilities that can be sweet and memorable place for Malaysia family to reunite. Now we are at Dataran Tanjung Balau. Pantai Desaru. Ramsau Desaru. Johor Horse Carriage. Bujang Firefly. Atlantis, the lost kingdom of Desaru. We are at Museum Nelayan Tanjung Balau. Hard Rock Hotel. The Westin Hotel. Desaru Coast Ferry Terminal. The Elks Club. We saved the best for last. Adventure Water Park. I've been to Desaru Water Park.
I've been to Desaru Fruit Farm.
I've been to Desaru Beach.
I've been to Hard Rock Cafe.
Best sangat. We as Malaysians, kita yang dekat Mujur,
Sehati sejiwa,
IKEA, Unity. Keluarga Malaysia